Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results and discuss the questions for the quiz contest which was conducted on 14th of February 2022. Yes, this environmental science quiz is conducted every week on Monday to prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrances and to know something about our environment. So those who don't know the rules for participating in this quiz, let's move on to the next slide. These are the rules for participating in this weekly quiz contest, and yes, you can become the monthly top performer by answering maximum questions correctly in the weekly quizzes, and you will be getting the cash prize at the end of the month. So if you want to know the rules, you can pause the video and go through all these rules. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first question was identify the incorrect statements regarding the chemistry of water, and the statements were 273 Kelvin is called the triple point of water. All three phases of water exist at the triple point. None of this A and B. So here the correct option will be option number C. Yes, none of these are incorrect statement because it was asking incorrect, and we will know about this triple point and all this concept in the next slide. Let's move on to the next slide. Yes, here comes the slide where we'll know about the triple point. Actually, in thermodynamics, the triple point of a substance is the temperature and the pressure at which the three phases, that means the solid, liquid and gaseous phase of that substance coexist in the thermodynamic equilibrium. Yes, all these three phases are in equilibrium. It is the temperature and pressure at which the sublimation curve, the fusion curve and the vaporization curve meet at a single point. As you can see in this graph, this is the point called as the triple point, where the sublimation curve, vaporization curve and fusion curve, they are meeting together because solid, liquid and gases, all three phases are at equilibrium. So here the triple point for every substance varies. For pure water, that is water, it is 0.01 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin approximately, which is also known as 32 degree Fahrenheit, and it is 4.58 mmHg, that is the pressure of triple point of pure water. In Pascal you can say it is 611 Pascal. So this is important. I hope you have noted down. Let's move on to the next question. The next question was the quality and demand for the Shahtoos salts has led to the endangerment of which of the following species of the antelopes in India. So options were black buck, Tibetan antelope, Tibetan gazelle or goat antelope. So here the correct option will be option number C, Goa antelope, which is also called as Tibetan gazelle, are the species which are in the endangerment because there are use of them for the Shahtoos salt preparation, and the quality and demand for these salts are leading to the endangerment of this species because they are the source for the raw material for the Shahtoos salt. So let's move on to the next question. The next question was headquarters of Biodiversity International is located at which of the following places, and here the correct option will be option number A, Rome. Yes, Rome, Italy is the headquarter for the International Biodiversity or Biodiversity International, and it is actually a non-profit research organization for the development, and it was established in the year 1974, and the motto of this organization is agricultural biodiversity nourishes and sustains the planet. So this is the motto, and headquarter of Biodiversity International is located in Rome, Italy. Let's move to the next question. The next question will be new for some of you. Here the question is the Drought Toolbox has officially released in which UNCCD event, and here the Drought Toolbox was officially released in the COP14, that is Conference of Party 14. It was released, and we will know in the next slide about this thing. So here the 14th Conference of Parties, which is called as COP14, for the United Nations Convention to combat the desertification. Yes, this was UNCCD, and it has officially released the Drought Toolbox. Actually, this toolbox is an online web platform which is a one-stop shop for all actions on drought. Yes, we can take the help of this online web platform, which is the Drought Toolbox, in order to avoid the drought. What it can be used? It can be used for the countries to assess drought risk in their regions much in advance. Yes, before the drought has taken place, we can assess that thing, and to prepare to deal with the water scarcity, It uses 30 parameters such as soil moisture, rainfall data, temperature of the present and past condition, and the drought forecasting toolbox can accurately evaluate the vulnerability of different geographic regions to drought. So this is very important thing in order to avoid this drought in several countries, and in United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, it was officially released, this Drought Toolbox, which was conducted in New Delhi, India in 2019. So COP14 was held in New Delhi, 2019, India. Let's move to the next question. So I hope you are noting down all these important points. Now the question is, which of the following are kind of non-conventional material used in rural road building? So here options were geotextiles, carbon nanofibers, fly ash and copper slag. So here the second option has to be eliminated by common sense. Yes, carbon nanofibers, they are in nano size, so how they can be used for building the road? So it is eliminated. But geotextiles, fly ash, copper slag, all these waste materials and as well as iron slag are also used for building the rural road. Yes, roads in rural region we are using with the help of these materials. So option number B will be correct. Only 1, 3 and 4 are the materials. So I'll tell you these things and you have to note it down. What is copper slag or what is iron slag? So slag means waste material when they are produced in the extraction process of copper or iron metal in the refinery plants, that will be called as copper slag or iron slag. That is the waste material. So they are used for building the rural road. Next is geotextile. What is this geotextile? Note it down. They are permeable fabrics which are used in association with soil. So soil means earth and that means geo. So that's why the word geo is used where in this geotextile, because these fibers are used in association with the soil. So they are used for building roads as well as railway embankments, these geotextiles. Coming to the fly ash. So you all will be knowing this term since long. Fly ash, what are these? They are actually fine grey powder consisting mostly of spherical glassy particles that are produced as a byproduct in coal fired power station. Yes, in the coal power station where their coal is used, they are the byproduct which are the fine grey powder. They are known as fly ash. So now it's time to reveal the top 2 performers for this quiz contest. So Diksha Pandey and Usman Ali are the top 2 performers for this week's weekly quiz contest. Congratulations to both of you and thanks for participating in this quiz and making it a successful one. So see you guys in our next video. If you want to participate, don't forget to subscribe the channel to get all further updates and prepare for the examination. Take care, keep smiling and believe in yourself.